Okay students, going ahead with question number 4. Question 4 here says, try to trace the various components of human evolution. And in hint, they have mentioned brain size, function, skeletal structure, and dietary preferences, etc. So let's at least include all these 4 categories. Okay. So let's start with brain size. Okay. Now, according to human evolution, they have found out evidence which said that brain size gradually increased. Okay, so it increased gradually along with evolution. Okay, so right from the beginning, remember A to Z. Australopithecus starts from 500 cc. So Australopithecus africanus, remember Australia and Africa, 500 cc. Homo habilis 700 cc. Homo erectus 800 to 1300 cc. And lastly, Homo sapiens sapiens or Homo sapien was found to be 50 cc. Okay, so after Homo sapiens is our species, that is Homo sapiens sapiens. So their cranial capacity would be above 1450. Okay students, this is what you are supposed to keep in mind. What? A to Z. Let's start again. Australia and Africa. Australopithecus africanus 500 cc. Homo habilis 700 cc. Homo erectus 800 to 1300 cc. And lastly is Homo sapiens 1450 cc. Okay students, so going ahead with dietary preferences. Okay, let's start. Drypithecus was herbivore. Ramapithecus was herbivore. Ramapithecus was herbivore. Australopithecus was again carnivorous. Homo habilis was carnivorous. Homo erectus was omnivorous. And Homo sapiens sapien is omnivorous again. Okay, let's try and remembering it as DH or Drypithecus SHD. So Drypithecus was herbivore. Okay, now let's see about Rama. Rama was a herbivore, so Ramapithecus is herbivore. Australopithecus AC, carnivores. Homo habilis again carnivores. Homo erectus used to eat both herbs as well as animals, so he was HO, that is omnivores. And lastly again Homo sapiens sapien, he was also omnivores. So remember HOOH or O twice, AC and HD, and again RD. Okay students, try remembering dietary supplements as HD, RD, AC, OH and OH. Okay, now Drypithecus was herbivore. Ramapithecus was again a herbivore. This is RH, sorry. AC was Australopithecus carnivore. Homo habilis was omnivore and Homo erectus is also omnivore. Oh wait, HC again. Homo habilis is carnivore, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens sapiens were omnivore. Let's do it one more time. Let's start with Australopithecus. Australopithecus africanus was carnivore. Why? A, C. Remember A, C. Now, Drypithecus, herbivore. Ramapithecus, herbivore. Australopithecus, carnivore. Homo habilis, carnivore. Homo erectus, omnivore. Homo sapiens sapiens, omnivore. Okay, students, try remembering at least 4 of them. Okay, going ahead with skeletal structure. Now, Drypithecus had ape-like brow ridges and was semi-erect in nature. He was what? Semi-erect and had projecting jaw, that is prognathes. Now, Ramapithecus, jaw and teeth like humans. They had small canines and large molars. Prognathes, which walked on legs. Now, Australopithecus africanus had erect posture, human-like teeth without chin. So this chin development was not there and had brow ridges and were again prognathes. Homo habilis moved erect, teeth like human, with brown ridges, walked nearly erect, slightly prognathes. Okay, now Homo erectus had erect posture, prognathes, projecting brow ridges, small canines, large molars, teeth and small chin. And lastly, Homo sapiens sapiens had 4 curves in the vertebral column. Face orthognathous, that is face without projecting jaw. Forehead was broad, chin was well developed and walked on sole. Okay, so Homo sapiens sapiens is what is modern men. Now, all these looked similar to half a man and half of an ape. So just mix both of them and try writing things like this. Okay, now for Drypithecus, remember he had ape-like structure and was semi-erect and was prognathes. Okay, brow ridges. So this forehead was quite protruding outside. Okay, so this protrusion was what's seen in early men from Drypithecus to Homo erectus. So if you see things which are common in all these is they apart from 1 or 2 they are all prognathes. Okay, so let's see again. Drypithecus ape-like brow, looked ape-like, was semi-erect and prognathes. Ramapithecus had jaws and teeth like humans but was prognathes and walked on legs. Australopithecus had erect posture, human-like teeth, but there was no chin development. Had brow ridges and was prognathes. Homo habilis moved erect with teeth like human, brow ridges, walked nearly erect, slightly prognathes. Homo erectus again posture was erect, prognathes, projecting brow ridges, small canines and large molars. Teeth and small chin. Homo sapiens sapiens, 4 curves in vertebral column. Face was orthognathous, that is without projecting jaw. Forehead, chin well developed and walked on sole. So from here to here, from Drypithecus to Homo erectus, all of them had protruding jaw-like thing, that is brow ridges, and they were prognathes. So try writing these things as it is. Okay, students?